Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice algebra problem. We have m square minus m power 3. This is equals to 5 over 64. Here we need to calculate all possible values of m. Here we have m square minus m cube. This is equals to 5 over 64. Now if we multiplied both sides 64 and here if we multiplied by 64, then this 64 and this 64 is cancelled out. In left hand side, this 64 is multiplied by m square 64 m square, and this 64 multiplied by m cube, then here minus 64 m cube, and this is equals to 5. Here coefficient of m cube is negative. So if we multiplied both sides minus 1 and right hand side is also multiplied by minus 1. In left hand side this minus 1 is multiplied by 64 m square, then here minus 64 m square, and this minus 1 is multiplied by 64 m cube, then here plus 64 m cube, and this is equals to minus 5. Now in left hand side we have 64 m cube, 64 m cube minus 64 m square minus 64 m square, and this is equals to minus 5. Here in right hand side we have minus 5. Now 64 m cube minus 64 m square, and this minus 5 if we take in left hand side, then this is plus 5 and this is equals to 0. Look carefully, this 64 is 4 power 3 m cube minus, and this 64 is 4 times 4 square m square plus 5, and this is equals to 0. Here we will apply this rule: a power m b power m. This is equals to a b bracket power m. If we apply this rule, then this expression 4 power 3 m power 3, this is equals to 4m bracket power 3, and 4 power 2 m power 2, this is equals to 4m bracket power 2. Here this expression is 4m bracket power 3 minus, and this expression is 4m power 3 4 times 4m bracket power 2 plus 5, and this is equals to 0. Now if we substitute 4 times m, this is equals to, let's say, x, then this expression is x cube minus 4x square plus 5, and this is equals to 0. This is a cubic equation: x cube minus 4x square plus 5, and this is equals to 0. So first we will make factor of this cubic equation, x cube, and this 5 if we write 4 plus 1, and here plus 1 minus 4 times x square, and here 4, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully, these two terms, we know that x cube plus y cube, this is equals to x plus y is multiplied by x square minus xy plus y square. Now here if we substitute y is equals to 1, then x cube plus 1 cube is 1, this is equals to x plus y is replaced by 1, and here x square minus x, y is replaced by 1 plus 1 square. Then value of x cube plus 1, x plus 1 times x square minus x plus 1. This expression is replaced by x plus 1 times x square minus x plus 1. Here x plus 1 times x square minus x plus 1. And look carefully these two terms. Here if we take common minus 4, then you will get x square minus 1, and this is equals to 0. In left hand side, x plus 1 times x square minus x plus 1 and minus 4 times x square minus 1, and this is equals to 0. We know that the algebraic identity of difference between two squares, x square minus y square, this is equals to x plus y times x minus y. Now here if we substitute y is equals to 1, then x square minus y is replaced by 1, and 1 square is 1, and this is equals to x plus y is replaced by 1, x minus this y is replaced by 1. Then x plus 1 times x square minus x plus 1 minus 4, and this expression is replaced by x plus 1 times x minus 1, x plus 1 times x minus 1, and this is equals to 0. Now here if we take common x plus 1, and here if we take common x plus 1, common x plus 1, then you will get here x square minus x plus 1 minus 4 times x minus 1, and this is equals to 0. Then x plus 1 times x square minus x plus 1, and this minus 4 is multiplied by x minus 1, then you will get minus 4x plus 4, and this is equals to 0. X plus 1 times here x square minus x minus 4x is minus 5x, 1 plus 4 is 5, and this is equals to 0. Here in left hand side we have x plus 1 times x square minus 5x plus 5, x square minus 5x plus 5, and this is equals to 0. Now if we apply this rule, if a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. Then this expression is a and this expression is b. If we apply this rule, then you can say x plus 1, this is equals to 0, or x square minus 5x plus 5, this is equals to 0. Here value of x is equals to minus 1, and we know that x is 4 times m. So this x is replaced by 4m, and this is equals to minus 1. Now divide both sides 4. Then value of m is equals to minus 1 over 4. This is our first solution. M is equals to minus 1 over 4. Let's say this is m1. Now we have a quadratic equation. Here value of a is equals to 1, value of b is equals to minus 5, and value of c is equals to 5. And we know that quadratic formula, x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. Then x is equals to minus, value of b is minus 5 plus minus square root of b square, which is minus 5 square minus 4, value of a is 1 and value of c is 5, and divided by 2 times a and value of a is 1. X is equals to minus is multiplied by minus 5, then plus 5 plus minus is square root of minus 5 square is 20, 5 minus 4 times 5 is 20 and divided by 2. Then x is equals to 5 plus minus is square root of 5 divided by 2. We have two possible values of x here. X is equals to 5 plus, if we take positive sign, and divide by 2, and x is equals to 5 if we take negative sign, square root of 5 divided by 2. And we know that x is 4 times m. So this x is replaced by 4 times m, and this x is also replaced by 4 times m. And this is equals to 5 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Here value of m is equals to 5 plus square root of 5 divided by 8. This is equals to 5 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Then value of m is equals to 5 minus square root of 5 over 8. This is our second solution and this is our third solution. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.